Hello, my name is Jakub. I'm owner of Jacob Birch Vision. It's a fashion brand which includes not only fashion but also music and fashion movies. The Startup for Six program forced me to think about the innovation within my design and finding my personal take on it. I was kind of thinking about using different fabrics, more kind of innovative, more not really related to fashion. So that's why I came up with fabrics like high technology fabrics such as neoprene, knitted mesh. And I built the whole brand and the whole collection around those kind of very structured technical fabrics. The movies are always connected to fashion, because usually we do collection, then we do fashion movie, and we use, as a soundtrack, we use the music which I do. The combination of fashion, movies and music together, that's definitely the key of innovation, because I don't think any other designer make music as I do. First you got the idea about your business and then going on the meeting pretty much every month. Not totally change my idea about the business, but really develop it and make it more realistic than I was thinking before. And as well, the sharing experience with people who are pretty much on similar stage than you are and have similar challenges, and kind of networking with them, that's definitely one of the biggest value of the program.